to know about you, but I don't know about you, but I don't know about you. Oh. You got a bitch in the back call, even if I wanna get ya. When the bitch comes in the call, what the fuck do I say? Do I say hello? Do I say hello? Do I say hello? Or should I just say nothing? Or should I be that bitch? But I don't know what to think. But I've never seen a woman. I've only seen my girlfriend. And really, she's so sexy. Even if I know, I don't even want you, just so you know. I think you've been lost in wild rain. I think you've been in a little too much. Because I've been drinking. I mean, come on me. Even if I'm happy, even if I'm the bitch, I just wanna know you, baby. You have been through way too much. He pinned you down on the carpet. Because my give fucks are on vacation. And I wasn't drinking, you were just fucking drinking. But I used to say we must stay together, you and your wild ass dress. You don't even know you, but baby, I know you too well. Even if I'm dead, even if you're alive, I will always remember you as the person that drank and had cancer. Oh. You're the guy that drink all the time and you walked at Target. You're the bitch in the cereal aisle. Or are you the Karen at the cafes are saying? Where's my fucking manager? Hey, that's the link, young lady. No, you should watch yours. Because I'm in the rainforest. And nobody's gonna sing nothing of it. I love you. I love you. I love you. I know. I just know. Who needs to go to the bathroom? I wanna kiss ya. You are my singer. I wanna kiss ya. We need to go to the bathroom. Come on, don't leave me like that. I thought I had you figured out. One thing's gone terribly wrong. You are the one my best to sing in the wild with some rain.